Hey, how are you? Are you asking yourself, what are the high income earning skills that I need to learn in order to improve my business? Well, today we are gonna answer these questions, so let's go ahead. Remember, I never asked for you to subscribe, so let's dive right into it. The 3 most important high income earning skills and why it's important for you. Hey, so maybe you're just like me that got brought up in a working family and you're in this category where 98% of the people, we're all working hard, we're all doing the activities, but we're just not getting the results that we want. And then there seems to be this 1 or 2% of the individuals that are working way less than we are, that are doing less than what we think we need to do and are still making a lot more than we are. So what is the difference? All of us have the same 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 168 hours in a week. So what is the difference? It's the activities, right? The activities that all of the people here in the 98% are involved in are not high income earning activities, but the activities that these individuals focus on are. So today we are actually going to look at 3 of the high income earning skills that you can start to develop and start to apply in your business in order to move the needle forward, in order to increase your business, and in order to get out of the rat race. So let's go right into it. All right, so income skill number 1, lead generation. Now, if you're in business, if you're in sales, if you're doing something, right, you know you need leads. You know that your business cannot survive without people coming in to you for you to talk with, right? You need those leads. So focusing on lead generation is a high income earning skills that can move your business forward. All right, skill number 2, sales. Sales skills are huge, right? Now you have those leads have come in, they've shown some interest. Now what happens? If those leads just show up and you don't say anything, nothing is going to happen, right? So sales skills are huge, they are very important. And again, if those leads show up and you say the wrong thing, if you're just pushing and shoving your product and service down their throat and you're not really showing them how your product or your service can solve their problem, then again, a sale is not going to happen. So just because you have leads, if you're missing sales skills, again, that is going to affect the bottom line of your business. And number 3 is copywriting. Now here, actually what I want for you to start thinking is start thinking communication. So actually check out this other video right here. It's from a book that you probably have heard of or you've read by Dale Carnegie, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Communication is huge, and in this excerpt of the book, actually one of the things that I analyze is one of the sales letters that Dale Carnegie goes over, and that he actually has this conversation back and forth about what the person that's writing this letter is trying to communicate versus what the person that's receiving this letter is actually thinking. So copywriting, communication is key. Just like in the previous 2 examples, how do you generate those leads? Okay, you're probably putting some sort of message, some call to action, something to get those leads to be attracted to you, to say, hey, I'm interested in what you have to offer. That communication, that copywriting, that message that you're putting in front of it, that is a high income earning skill. And again, copywriting is so huge because again, you can also say the wrong things. So understanding that copywriting is necessary not only for you to do lead generation, but also for you to make the sale is huge. And again, just general communication from one person to the other, whether it's through social media, whether it's through phone calls, text messaging, whatever, emails, whatever platforms you're using to communicate with a person back and forth, you know, understanding that copywriting and the words that you say and how the other person is influenced by those words, that is a high income skill. Again, if you look at the way that the 1 or 2% ask themselves these questions, ask the customers their questions, It's very different, okay? I know Robert Kiyosaki talks about this in his Rich Dad Poor Dad book. It's not about, oh, I can't afford that. It's how can I afford that? So do you see how adding one word, okay, or just reframing the question, changing a little bit of words can completely transform how you think, how you perceive the message? It's the same thing in copywriting. All right, so I know by now you've probably heard that there's really nothing new on planet Earth. Everything has been passed down from one individual to another with a story, and we've been able to take that knowledge, practice it, develop it, and apply it in our own situations and really see how it affects the bottom line for our personal lives and our businesses. So a lot of these things that I'm sharing with you here today, I had the pleasure of learning from Dave Sharp at Legendary Marketer. Now what I want to do is I actually want to share with you a link where you can learn from Dave Sharp and marketing skills as well. Now Dave Sharp has helped individuals, and him and his companies have done over $250 million in sales, specifically in the online marketing world. But what I really like about Legendary Marketer is how no matter what business model you decide to choose, no matter what you decide to do, or maybe you're just looking to get started in business, you can apply this knowledge. Again, everything from lead generation to the sales skills, to the copywriting, to the marketing, that is what you can use in pretty much all of the businesses universally across the board. So if you want more information on Legendary Marketer, go and check out onlinemaxer.com/marketing. There again, Dave will present to you a few different options. All of them have a money back guarantee, so there's really no risk to you. And ultimately, what do you want? You want to get results from your business. So everything from lead generation to sales skills, to marketing skills, to copywriting, to understanding the business model that you're choosing for your business and how you're going to leverage that, that is what Dave teaches. And that is how he is able to help his students achieve success. So again, if you want to check that out, go to onlinemaxer.com/marketing. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.